Let her go. Yeah, you steer. Oh, yeah, come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Sally and I are heading down to PSP to drop off some parts. She's in the car, but I can't get her in the camera angle. There she is. Anyhow, we got a full load of parts here. The turbo system, all the little knickknacks to push the build forward. So we'll see you guys when we get down there.
Yeah, we're gonna put everything in a basket and a header.
Give the bolts. We got the headers here.
Yeah, I put the gasket soaking in bar salt.
Okay.
So the silicone will fall off.
Where do you want to put it?
He said upstairs. I don't know what that means, Brandon.
Frame rail to frame rail.
Yes.
And it basically takes the weight off the turbo.
And this thing's on top of the turbo, below the turbo, like
Below the turbo,
Yeah.
and then the flange sits
on top.
on top. to
Then the
take
bolts go right through.
right through.
The 4 bolts, 2 of them will go right through.
2 go
2
through.
are longer.
Sally, can I see the camera for a second? Any other spots?
Well, we normally either behind the seat or, but then the wiring is too short. I think right here is going to be okay.
I don't know if that's going to line up.
No, like even if I can make a new plate on the bottom, then maybe I'm going to weld the aluminum plate to that, so the mount is still be the same. Well, it's just that other one. What's that other one?
That holds it.
Oh, so
What is that now?
Oh, the other one.
No, that's for that was
That's
the big
for the
stuff
dialogue.
from the dialogue, so that's good. I made like a little.
Didn't you make that with Marcus?
Yeah, so yeah, I made like a little hook.
Oh, I
for you
see.
guys just to work on whatever. So the battery's back
Hey, you're
there.
in my way. Can I
I'm
just-
sorry.
All right, so we're getting close to home, and just to wrap up this video, all the parts are now down at PSP. While I was down there, we hashed out a few items. Number one being the placement of the Dominator. It's going to be set under the front passenger seat. Number two was the shifter. It was one of my dislikes, so I ordered a new B&M Pro ratchet style shifter. I added the line lock button to it as well. And the third item that we're going to switch out is the old school kill switch on the back of the car. And we're going to install these new LED push style buttons. They look pretty cool. I'm looking forward to even these small little changes. I'm trying to keep you guys updated with the build progress as much as possible, but that's about it for today. So otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment or question that you may have, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.